luminous object. Each on the object is produced their own light. Illuminous object. Each are the object which do not produce their own light, capable of reflecting light to our eyes coming from illuminous object. The non-brilliant object. Each are the object which allow light to pass through them. The longitudinal object. These are the object which produce partially allow light to pass through them. An opaque object. These are the object which do not allow light to pass through them. Reflection of light, reflected, absorbed, and transmitted. Light definition. Light. It is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. Light level in a straight line. Speed of light is measurable in 10 into 10 to the power minus 8, 10 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, 10 to the power 8 means 10 is multiplied 8, 10 is multiplied by itself 8 times, that is 10 into 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 10. 10 is multiplied 8 times. Reflection of light. It means bouncing back of ray of light when it's like a boundary between different media through which it cannot pass. Light reflected from an object reaches our eyes. Plane mirror. Mirror with a flat reflected surface. Shadow क्या होती है? Surface where light is blocked by an opaque object. Shadow formation need light, an opaque and the large ocean object. Pinhole camera. Camera with any single tiny aperture. Logic chapter check. Electricity and circuit. In nature there are two terminals, that is positive and negative. Electric current. Flow of electric charge consumes electric current. Measured as rate of flow as a charge. SI unit is ampere. Convection current. In it, the electric current flow from positive terminal to negative terminal, which is negative, and electronic current. In it, electric current Follow negative terminal to positive terminal. The Colombian circuit is complete. Electric circuit, it is a part for current to flow. An electric current is represented by a circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is drawn using the conventional symbol of different circuit elements. Valve closed because current is allowed to flow through the wire of the circuit. Material is classified on the basis of electrical conductivity. Conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Conductor, it is a material which carries electricity easily, or we can say that it has high conductivity. Example, metal and water. Semiconductor, it is the material which is conductor as well as insulator. It is the material which carries electricity. It is an intermediate conductivity. Example, HI, G, GA, AH, hardly symbol of some material which are semiconductor, and polyanimate. Insulator, it is the material which does not catch electricity easily. It has low conductivity like plastic, wood, and glass. Bulb glow only when conducting material are present in the circuit. Electric cell is defined as a device that generates electricity. What is a battery? Two or more cells together to form a battery. Filament of bulb means filament of bulb is made of tungsten. What is tungsten? It has high melting point. Due to high melting point, tungsten is used to make filament of bulb. A fused bulb make the circuit incomplete. Therefore, bulb can't glow. Electrical switch, an arrangement to switch the circuit on and off as needed. It is also called the key. Glowing valve. Conclusion. Electrical should be complete. Wire should be made of conducting material. Electrical cell to generate electricity. Bulb should not be fused. Switch in the cell gate should be on. Torch internal access. Torch consists of battery, bulb, switch, reflector, and a casting. Now it is the chapter 2. Come to class 6 physics. Chapter 3 fun with magnet. Magnet, an object that exhibits a property to attract a certain material toward itself. Not all materials are attracted by magnetic material. These are the materials which are get attracted toward a magnet. Non-magnetic material. Material which do not get attracted toward a magnet. Properties of paragraph. All initial in the node without a direction when suspended parallelly. Node या without pole can be isolated like poles, lapel, and unlike poles act like each other. For example, North Pole act like South Pole, South Pole act like North Pole, South Pole lapel South Pole, and North Pole lapel North Pole. Magnetic compass. It is an instrument indicating direction. Coil of magnet. Magnet to be stored properly. Do not eat a magnet and do not amble a magnet. Amble means beating. Beat a amble. Stalling magnet. Stalled at room temperature. Stalling in the light place. Wall magnet to be kept pale with unlike poles on same side. Poles to magnet to be kept with a piece of iron across the poles. Keep the magnet away from mobile, television, music system, CD, and computer. Now come on to classic chapter 4 motion and measurement of distance. Distance is defined as total path, length, an object travel from initial point to final point of position, unit. It is internationally accepted Laplands tended to measure a physical quantity like kilogram, liter, meter, etc. Length is measured in SI unit, which is meter, or we can say that the SI unit of length is meter. Number of units is comparatively less than the number of physical quantities. L is a table of conversion of unit. Remember the milli centimeters, meter, hecto, kilo. milli-centimeter deca hectokilo. As we move down, we divide by 10, and as we move up, we multiply by 10. For example, let's take unit in meter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Look at the table. Milli-centimeter. So 1000 is equal to, as we move down, must divide by 10. So milli-centimeter. Milli to meter, we have centimeter and meter. Tally kilos. So divide by 1000. That is 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. 5 centimeter is equal to how many kilometer? Decimeter deca kilo. 5 kilos. So 5 divided by 10,000 kilometer. 5 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? Now we are moving up, multiply. Kilometer, hecto, deca, meter, deci, and centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 10,000. That is 50,000 centimeter. The additional method to measure distance are foot, cubit, and finger. These are the advantage of the additional method is no uniform in size, collect measurement of length, scale should be connect with object, measurement should be also taken from zero, height should be exactly in front of the point where measurement is taken. Range of length specially unit or extremely small use Fermi and angstrom. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter and 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. For extremely large length, we use astronomical unit AU and a light year. 1 AU is equal to distance between Sun and Earth. This is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. 1 light year is equal to distance light level with a time. Example, the moving blade of no distance light at the level in 1 year is equal to 1 light year, which is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Motion. Change of position with time is known as motion. Example, removing bullet of pen, removing car, motion of earth, rotation of earth around its axis, and the revolution of the earth around its sun. And motion is a relative term. Motion of an object is always with respect to some plane rectilinear motion. Motion along a straight line, circular motion. Motion along a straight path, periodic motion. Repeat itself in a periodic interval of time. For example, motion of pendulum, oscillatory motion. In order to describe the motion, position need to be defined. What is position? Point at which the object is located at a particular instant of time. Instant moved by object in a given interval of time, beside which is faster or slower. That's finished classic.